Hi everyone, so you are welcome to part 4 of this video. Here I'm going to treat another past year question on web authoring. So if you haven't watched part 1, part 2, part 3 of this web authoring series, please try to watch it before you continue with this part 4. Now here, the past year question I'm going to treat here is May-June 2020. Now let's get started. The first question says you have been supplied with the following source file. These are the source file you are given: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the source file. And now the first thing, the tax 1 asks you to create an evidence document. I taught you how to create an evidence document already, but here I will just open Microsoft Word, okay? And you need to put your name, your center number, and company number in the header, as I told you last time. Now, so the next question says tax 2. So you are going to create a web page for Alinao Beach and Deep Resort in the Philippines. Now, the web page must work in any browser. All color code must be in hexadecimal. Create a new folder called AB. You need to create a new folder called AB. So if you remember, so when we did this one earlier, all right, I'm going to, let me call this one sample 2. Then I need to create another folder here. So that folder is going to be AB according to the question. So then afterwards, what do I need to do? I need to put all these files inside that folder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All these files, I need to put them inside that folder. So I have all the files here. I downloaded them already. And then I told you, I've already shown you how to download all the files as well. So I don't need this one. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These only 7 files I'm going to use. All right, only these 7 files I'm going to use. Then you put everything in this AB. Every single thing you are going to do, you need to put them in this folder AB. Now the next question says. Open the file 2032. This file, you need to open this. Then you crop the image to remove the top. Let's open the files first so that we can see how it looks like. So 2020, this is the file. Let's open it. Since they are going to ask you to edit the image, so I'm going to open this one with Microsoft Paint. Let me open it with Paint. Paint is just a very popular software. It's just a very basic software. It's always available in every Windows computer. Now, what does the question want you to do here? Crop the image to remove the top so that the image is 456 pixels high and 265 pixels wide. You need to crop the top to remove, you need to crop the image to remove the top. We need to remove the top of the image. So now, the easiest way of cropping this image is this. Now, just press Ctrl A to select everything. You click on this image. Just click here. Just click on the image and you press Ctrl A. Then after that, you click on crop. You click on crop. Then after that, you can select what the question from which height the question wants you to maintain. For example, here everything is okay until here, and we need actually 456. We don't need the top of the image. The question says how many? 456. So we need 456. So we don't need top of the image. 456. Then this should be maybe somewhere here. Let's try it. Okay, somewhere here, I believe. 456. Then you just click on crop. You see, very easy way of doing cropping here. Now then the top of the image has gone. Now, so the next question says save this image as this. You need to save it as this one. Then you click on file, save as. You know, we are not using PNG, it's JPEG according to the question, and we need to save it, put everything in this and in this folder. then you click on save. Now you see that's that 3 marks. Then the question says take a screenshot of your AB folder and place this one in the evidence file, you know, and you need to show all this one. I showed you in the previous example in part 3 of this video how to do this. So but you can just quickly do it. Let's say this AB folder, right? Then you click on view, then you click on content, and you can see you just take a screenshot of this place, only this place. You know the reason why they ask you to take a screenshot? Because of the new image you just do now. They want you to they want to know, have you cropped it properly or not. Where's that image? I think this one. They want to see, have you cropped it properly or not. That's why you need to show the name of the folder, here, the name of the file. Then you need to show the type, the dimension. So they don't need the date, but you need to show the size. You see now, these are the things. That's why they ask you to screenshot. So I don't need all this, by the way. So now just copy this. You can open your evidence file and you put it in your evidence file. So then you can make it bigger so that the examiner can see. Just as simple as this. Oh, sorry, you didn't. When you take a screenshot of this, make sure you take a screenshot of the name of the folder as well. Something like this. You take it from here. So this place is also very important, the name of the folder. Okay? Don't just take this side. Don't just take this side. You need to take this one, the name of the folder as well. So don't lose marks because of that, okay? Now, so you take the screenshot and you put it in your evidence file just like this. Now, next question. So the next question says, create a web page called ab.htm. Let's open this one again. Expression, Microsoft Expression. Let's open Microsoft Expression again. Now, we are now in design view. Let's save it. Then we are saving it in the same folder. The question says ab.htm. Then you press OK. Now, next question. So you need to create, and how many marks? This one is also 12 marks, just like the previous one. Now, if you normally following with me, so I think you can see this one. Let me quickly show you something here. You can see how many rows do we have here. This row number 1, this row number 2, this row number 3, and this row number 4, and this row number 5. So we are having 5 rows. How many columns? This column 1, this column 2, and this column 3. Okay, I explained this one earlier. I won't spend much time on this. So how many rows we are having here? We are having 5 rows. How many columns? We have just only 3 columns. Now, let's go back here. Then you click on table, insert table, 5 rows, then 3 columns. You press OK. It looks like this. Now, the next question says the first one should be, you need to merge everything, and it should be 855 by 200. Merge it. The first thing you need to do here, you merge it, modify, then merge, then right click, cell property, then it should be 855 by 200. 855 200. Then you press OK. Now the second one, you need to merge it as well, but for this one it should be 855 by 480. 855 by 480. 855 by 480, cell property, 855, then 480. You see how it looks like? Then the next one says we don't need to merge anything here, but it just, all this one, they are having the same property, the same size. So 265 by 60, 265 by 60. So let's go back here. 265, just highlight everything at once. 265 by 60. Cell property, 265, then this one by 60, then you press OK. It looks like this. Now next, then you have to merge this. You merge this one as well, and the size is going to be 265 by 456. 265 by 456. So this one you are going to merge. Okay, we are merging this. Modify, merge. Then we need to merge this one as well. This. Then merge, and the size, both of them, they have the same size. Cell property, what is it? Let me go back to the equation. 265 456. 265 456. You press OK, and the last one is this. You don't need to merge anything here. 265 274. 265 274. 265 274. 265 274. Then you press OK. And the last one, 265 162. 265 162. Cell property, 265, then 162. 162. Yeah, done. And you claim your 8 marks. This is what you need to do. So you don't actually need to learn any HTML. The HTML is going to be created automatically for you. Okay? You just need to do it here. Now, next question, to save our time. This one says, table border must appear on the final page. It says that it must appear. You know, the previous one we did, it shouldn't appear, right? But this one says table borders must appear on the final web page. Or let's look at this one as well. Each table cell is identified with a letter, and all dimensions are in pixels. The letter and dimension shown in the table must not appear on your final web page. The table shows the spacing between cells, which will be set when your style sheet is attached in step 9. Now here we need to do the table border. How do we do that? I told you earlier, just click on the table, right click, you will see the table property. For the border here is 1, so just make it 1. It's 0, you just need to make it 1, and you click OK, and the border is there. So now place in cell A the image logo in cell A. Where is cell A, by the way? This cell A. We need to put the logo there. So let's go back to this. Then insert picture. Then where's the logo? Here. TGC. No, we are still on sample 2 AB. This is the logo. We put it there. Then we say logo. Alternate is very important. So you do that. Next question. This one says in B, a placeholder 855 pixel wide and 480 pixel high. Place in cell B a placeholder 855 pixel wide and 450, then contain the video clip. It's contain this video clip. Then display an automated text-based error message if the browser does not support this video type. Now we need to place a placeholder here. So that placeholder is going to be 855 pixel wide and 480 pixel. 855 480, you see. So then how do we place a placeholder for video? Because here they are not talking of picture, they want us to put a video. So how do we do that? What you do here is you just click on insert, then after that you click on picture or media. Then we are going to use this one. So window media player. Then let's choose the file. You see we are working on AB, right? Then you couldn't find it here. You can just click on all files so that you can see what you are working on here. Now, so we need this file. according to the question. So we need this file. Then you just click on insert, then it's going to be import. Now, but as you can see, according to the question says that we need to make it 855 pixel wide, 855 and 480, and this is not 855 pixel wide, it's quite small. So what you need to do is just try to right click here and you click on ActiveX, you see. So you click here, then after that you click on object tag, and you can just play around with the size here, 855. So then for the size is 480 pixel, 480 pixel. Then the question also says something important here. It says that display an automated text-based error message if the browser does not support. So you can say your browser does not support this type of video. Just copy this and you just put it there. So just copy this and you just put it there. Where is it? So now for the alternative representation, which means if it is not available, so you can just put it here, the browser does not support. Or you can say your browser does not support this video file, something like this. So then you press, you can click on apply and you press OK, then it is there automatically. Now, then after you do this, actually it's not too bad if you actually want to view this one in a browser so that you can see either what you are doing is correct or not. As you can see from here, it says that your browser doesn't support this video. But worry about if I use this alternate text. But worry about if I use another browser, file, view in browser. Let me use Internet Explorer in this case. Maybe it will support. Internet Explorer. How does it look like? Okay, it said that it's blocking it. Let me show it. You see, so it works. It works very nice. So then, now let's quickly continue with the rest of the question. So the question says, place in cell C the text location, accommodation, and beach. Where is it? CDE. We need to put location, accommodation, and beach. So let's go back to this. So we need to put location. Then for this one we put accommodation, and this one we put beach. Now the next question says set this text to H2. We need to set it to H2. This one we set it to H2, and this one H2 as well, and this one H2 as well. You set it to H2. Now the next question says place in cell FGH. FGH. Where is FGH? FGH. What do we need to play? What do we need to put there? This image. View, account, and beach. View, account, and beach. Now let's say this one, insert picture. Then we need to put view, this one, this image. Then for this, view, we need to put account, accommodation, I think, accommodation. Then finally for this one we need to put the image of beach there, this image. All right, then you press OK and everything looks like this. Next question, enter in cell I this one, web page last updated by, then you write your name, center number, and country number, and you set it to H3. This one you just paste it here, then your name and center number and country number. Name, center number, and country number. Okay, so you put it there. And the next question, Sorry. So the next question says, okay, we need to set it to H3 first. So we need to set it to H3. Now it's H3. Now, the next question says, add appropriate alternate text to all the image. We have done that. Then attach the style sheet. We need to attach this one to the web page. Then you save your web page. So let's attach. I taught you how to attach earlier. Just click on browse. Then this is the file. You press OK. Press OK. Then we attach the file already. So next. The next question says, you save it. Of course, you save it. Then set the name of the default target window to _blank. Set the name of the default target window to _ default target window to _. Now, so from here, you just click here and you right click and you can see the page property. So then in the page property here, this default target frame, target frame according to the question. So you click here and you see same frame, whole page, you see new, this one is _blank, and you press OK, then press OK here as well. Just as simple as that. Then you can save your work. Now, so the next question says, create hyperlink from the text location and from the image this. So which means this image view and this text, we need to put them in hyperlink to open the web page. Which web page? This web page in the new browser called _location. You see what they are, that's why it is 4 marks. There are a lot of things they are asking you to do here. The first thing is this text as well as this image, we need to hyperlink both of them. Now, where's the text location? Then where's that image? This image as well. So text location, you just right click, then you hyperlink it. So we want to hyperlink to existing web page. What is that web page they want us to link it to? Look at the question. This web page, AB2HTM, AB2HTM. This is that web page. No, this one, AB. No, this AB, I think they have AB2 here. Okay, this one, okay, AB2HTM, this web page. All right, now we want to link it to it. However, before we do that, it's going to open in a new browser, in a new window called _location, in a new window called _location, which means you click on target here, then new window, then we have to change this one to _ then location. You see how we do it? Then the question never says anything about set it as a default. You just press OK, then you press OK for this. Now we need to do the same thing for this image. I believe that's the image they are talking about, right, in the question. View, yeah, I think that was the image view. Yeah, image in F. And where is F? This is the image in F, just to make sure that we are doing the right thing. Where's the question? Where necessary. Okay, the question is here. So let's do the same thing for this. _ right click, then hyperlink, then we need to link it with this, then target, new window, then you have to make this one to location. Then you press OK, then you press OK as well. Then you can save your work. Now the next question says, create a hyperlink from all the text placed in cell I to send an email to this, to send an email to this. So I want to see if I can just quickly copy this email. Okay, you can, or that if you cannot copy, you just have to write it out. Okay, it's okay. Now hyperlink in cell I it needs to send emails to with this subject, inquiry about Ali now. So what we do here is you right click everything here, or you select everything we have in I, and then right click. Then we want to do hyperlink, but this time you are going to send an email. You want to send emails to where? To this ab at cambridgeinternational.org. Okay, then what's the subject according to the question? Inquiry. This is the subject, so just copy this and you put it there. Now, does the question ask you to do anything else? Display the web page in your browser if necessary, resize it. So done. Just press OK. Simple as this. Now, then this question says display the web page in your browser if necessary. So let's display it in the browser. Browser, I think it looks fine in Internet Explorer, just like what we did earlier. Allow this. Then you can reduce it if necessary. Let's reduce this one so that we can take the screenshot of everything. All right, now the question says the address bar and everything. You have to show all this one. Okay, then you need to screenshot it and put it in your evidence too. So screenshot, you need to show all the address bar. I believe you know what we call the address bar. Yeah, this one. They want to see this one as well. So you copied everything and you put it in your evidence file. That would be evidence 3 or evidence 2 according to the question. So now display the HTML source code and you come back here, just click here and you just screenshot, or you can just Control A. You copy everything and your evidence 3. Of course you need to type, but I just want to save the time because we've done this one earlier. So just right click, then you can move it somewhere here. So let's say this one is evidence 3, right? Then you just need to paste all the source file here. Now, so the next question says, yeah, we finished, and that's all. So in this question, basically, they don't even ask you to do anything CSS. So you are just so lucky for this question. So you are not asked to do anything CSS or whatsoever. Everything is just about HTML. And it's just very, very easy. It's very, very easy. 42 marks. It doesn't worth what you can lose. So I'm going to create another video for the last part. That's going to be part 5. Then I will show another example for part 5 of this video. Then after that, I believe any question you see on web authoring, you should be able to answer all of them. All right, so see you in the next video. That's part 5 of this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye, see you.